Hello guys, this is Jacob. So in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about AI influencer. So these videos that you saw are all created by AI, which are amazing, absolutely amazing. So I think this is going to change the way how we actually making content on YouTube and on other platforms. So in this video, we're going to show you how to make this, and this is all free. And also you can just go to the Higgsfield AI to try this out. You can see here, we only have 7 left. You can generate 10 short form videos with AI influencers for free. So guys, feel free to try this out. It's amazing, as you just saw here. So let's get started to see how we create this amazing AI influencer short form videos. So it's not that short though. You can see actually it's around 15 seconds and you can create 10 of them. So in total, it's about 2.5 minutes. Let's go to Higgsfield AI landing page. So you can see they already made everything available on the landing page. So you can see the top choice, they have KLing Motion Control. So this is a key component of this whole AI influencing character. If you go to the section above, you can see it already demonstrated all the steps to how to create it, but we'll go through them one by one. So first you have to create the image, then you have to create the video, and then after that, you can attach the image and video to the motion control. Then you can start creating the AI influencers. So if you click on the top navigation AI influencer, you should be able to see the interface like this. So you can also see it is free, marked as free, so you can try it out for free. And the first step you should do is first create a character, or maybe just a influencer image. So they have over 90 options you can tweak. So first we just to choose the character type, like a human or ant or bee, and the characters you want. Choose a gender. In this case, we choose the female, and then you can also choose the origin base. We choose the European, and after that, we choose the skin color and the eye color, and you can choose the skin condition, which is the second one. The age is adult. You can choose mature, senior, so on and so forth, and other advanced settings. You can choose different, more granular settings. But this is the image that we created. And after that, you can modify the image using Nano Banana. It's very convenient. Just scroll down a little bit. You can see there's edit in Nano Banana Pro. And also, when you click the try free, this will bring directly to the motion control. So when you click this, you should be able to go to this page, which is we saw earlier. So this is called motion control. Once you click this button, try free button, you can see this motion control page. So this is where you're going to work on the images and also the videos and mix them together to create the AI influencer. So this is usually a very complicated and expensive task, but you can see that now it is very easy and it is free. So first you have to create a video, which already did, but you can also just create videos using the prompt, or maybe you can also upload a video. Then you can edit that video. So this is already preset. So because we created the images and also we picked a video from the preset library, so I can show you guys how to pick that later. So because everything's ready, so you don't have to create everything. So then you have to go to the motion control. Then you can put them together and you can select which one you want to be the background. So before doing that, let me show you guys a little bit on the try free. So before you go to the motion control, you can now choose these free viral motion library. So this is where you're gonna make the character move, right? So this is the first one we choose. You can choose the other ones, and they have a lot of options. You can just click explore more to find out. So we choose the first one that you saw earlier in this video. That's the first motion we chose, and then we use it with the character that we created. So you can see that one is very nice, as you saw earlier in this video. And so let's continue. So after you choose the viral motion library, you can also upload one for yourself. As you can see, you can upload videos and images, but we just simply choose the one that's available, that's very popular. So from the motion library. And now let's continue. So after everything's ready, you got the video and the image. So now you have to do is choose which one as the background. So you can choose the video as the background, or you can choose the image as the background. So we did both. As you can see here, the second video we created is to use the video as the background. So you can see that the background of this video matches the video of this image. And you just replace the character in this video with the character you created, which is the AI influencer. Also, if you do it reverse way, if you choose the image as a background, you can see the third video we created. So it is the image as a background, but attach the motion of the video to this image. So you can go back to the first few minutes of this video to check out how this works. So, but overall, this is amazing. Then you can start generate. So we generated 3. So there's 10 for free. So you can see there's 3. So there's 7 left. And that should be it. So this is how you actually create the AI influencer in a very convenient way. Also, there's free 10 credits, I think, every day. So you can really use that free credits to create images for using Nano Banana or using other tools available here. They have a lot of tools in here. So you can see from the landing page, there's tools that you can choose from. It says explore all tools. So they have a lot of tools here, but they pick the first 3, the image, video, and motion control as the top 3. And they can also edit image in Nano Banana Pro. They also have a clean video edit, upscale. So it's got a full set in here. So very, very nice. So that should be it. If you want to also enhance the video or enhance the audio, they have the skin enhancer and face swap, all these fancy, awesome tools. So hopefully this is helpful, and do comment below if you think the AI influencer is going to be the trend in the future. So now people are making videos using this AI. It seems very, very good. And used to be human. We make videos and it takes time. Now you can actually use all these AI tools to make it automated. So for large videos production, also for people who do not want to actually show up on the screen. So it's very convenient just using AI. And thanks so much for watching the video. And thanks for supporting the channel as usual. See you in the next one.